As a participant in the last Intersteno Congress held in Poland, I was exposed to the different methods of producing text using different disciplines of stenography. It was made clear that we are slowly embracing the change brought by artificial intelligence. But one thing I learned is that human intervention in court proceedings and processes is still needed. We should use AI as a tool in helping us to do our job efficiently. But we must not forget that the human ability to comprehend and adapt to various challenges and environments is still relevant.